Hi, my name is Ripple Wu, Mugura Boxiu. We are privileged to present to you exclusive pocket of Templestowe, 95 Newmans Road.
And my name's Robert Simpson. We can't wait to take you through this impressive single-level family home. Well, this home certainly does offer so much with an inclusions list that just keeps on going. It really is a property that's not to be missed. The location here is second to none, complemented with a very functional floor plan catering to every family. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with us. Our friendly staff can offer different languages including Mandarin, Cantonese, Vietnamese and of course English. We look forward to seeing you at an inspection soon.
真正的梦想之家在世外桃源，我们非常期待与你相遇。谢谢。